Welcome. This meditation is designed to heal and seal the gut lining, calm the mind, and turn on the rest and digest in the autonomic nervous system, a system that regulates your heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, and so many other factors that bring balance and restoration to the body and mind. We show up to meditate regularly so we can begin to turn off the sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight, and encourage the parasympathetic nervous system to upregulate cells, antibodies, to create a stronger immune system and more relaxed state of being. The more we train ourselves to be in this parasympathetic state, the less we have room for disease, and so living in ease can begin to flow. Best recommended to brew the gut restore tea 5 minutes or so before the meditation to allow your water to absorb the medicinal compounds, cool down, and work its magic. May you enjoy. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit undisturbed. As the tea steeps, set the intention to calm your nervous system to promote grounding. If desired, find a candle and light it, creating a soft, gentle atmosphere around you. Take a few moments to take deep, slow breaths, allowing the peaceful ambience to wash over you. Now, as you hold the warm cup of tea in both hands, imagine the healing properties within it. Visualize the steam rising from the cup, carrying with it the essence of nourishment and restoration. As you bring the cup closer to your lips, feel a sense of anticipation and gratitude for the powerful journey you're about to embark on. As you take your first sip, repeat the phrase, "I am grounded." Feel the sensation of the tea as it enters your mouth, soothing and comforting your senses. Imagine this grounding energy flowing down your throat, spreading down your chest and abdomen. With each sip, allow the phrase, "I am grounded," to resonate within you. Feel the surface beneath you, whether it's a cushion, a chair, or the floor. Allow yourself to be anchored in the present moment, supported by the earth beneath you. As you continue to sip the tea, imagine each drop as a replenishing elixir, tailored to your body's needs. See the tea's essence infusing every cell, every organ, and every tissue, revitalizing and restoring balance. With each sip, envision your body becoming a well-functioning powerhouse. Picture your digestive system working harmoniously, effortlessly breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. And as you sip, remind yourself of the commitment you've made to prioritize your health. this practice contributes to your overall well-being. With every gulp, imagine your stomach lining becoming even stronger, paving the way for optimal digestion. Visualize it as a protective barrier, allowing nutrients to flow in and supporting your body in releasing what it no longer needs. Take this time to be with yourself, now, in the present moment. Of your cup of tea, reflect on the power of consistency. Acknowledge yourself for showing up for this moment of self-care, for nurturing your body and soul. your tea finished, take a final deep breath. Feel the warmth of the tea spreading throughout your body, soothing and calming your nervous system. To come back to this meditation at any time of the day, whenever you need a reset. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up to this meditation. Know that you've taken a step towards grounding, digestive health, and overall well-being. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the sense of grounding and restoration with you as you continue your day. We do not do the work because we need to fix or change ourselves. We do the work to create more of what we love because it feels good to feel good. Well done for showing up for yourself.